everyone, welcome to Rohini's kitchen. Today we're going to make a really easy appetizer so that you don't have to worry when you have unexpected guests. So what we're thinking this time to make is a crostini with La Vieja Fabrica's black currant jam. So it's really unique. It's got a very earthy taste and very sweet, unlike other berries, and I think it'll match really well with the ingredients that we have today to make a crostini. So to make this easy peasy appetizer, it's like 1 to 3 you can make this because we've only got like 4 or 5 ingredients. So we've got some caramelized onions, and how do you make caramelized onions? You just saute them in a little bit of olive oil and salt and garlic if you want, and let it sweat out a little bit for 10 minutes or so, and you get this gorgeous color. The sugar's released. We've got some cream cheese, we've got rosemary, we've got French baguette, and we've got the star here, the jam from La Vieja Fabrica, the black currant flavor. And so all of these really marry well to make a quick appetizer. So to make caramelized onion, this is what you need to do. You need to take some really yummy, delicious olive oil, bring the pan to a nice medium heat, and throw in some of your thinly sliced onions. And that's how you want these caramelized onions to look like. The next step is to just cut up some thin slices of bread. I've done a few already. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the crostini because you don't want it dried up. Just a little bit, not too much. A drizzle or two. Alright, so this is going to be a 4-step process. We're going to start off with the caramelized onions. First layer is going to be caramelized onions. And these caramelized onions, little goes a long way because they've got the nice sweet flavor that the sugar has been released. So you don't want too much. Second layer is going to be a few dollops of the cream cheese, and then what we're going to do is we're going to sort of spread it out with the help of a knife. Next step, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of chopped up rosemary on each of the crostini so that the cream cheese sort of also has a flavor. So the last step to this delicious crostini is adding the jam, the black currant jam from La Vieja Fabrica, which is going to make this crostini come alive. And when I'm going to spread this, you're going to see that there are these little tiny beads. Those are the black currants. Alright, so I hope you like our jammed up crostini. Weren't they really easy to make? So I hope when you have a next party, you make these and thank us later. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such delicious recipes. Until next time, bye!